Hey there, reading explorers! Welcome to our CVC Words reading adventure. Today, we have a big question for you. Can you read these? We are going on a quest to hunt for hidden letters and blend them into magic words. Get your explorer caps on and let's start our adventure right now. Let's read. Fan. F-A-N, fan. Repeat after me, heroes. Fan, fan. Let's read. Map. M-A-P, map. Repeat after me, heroes. Map, map. Let's read. Van. V-A-N, van. Repeat after me, heroes. Van, van. Let's read. Bat. B-A-T, bat. Repeat after me, heroes. Bat, bat. Let's read. Pan. P-A-N, pan. Repeat after me, heroes. Pan, pan.
Ready for the next challenge, heroes? Let's practice these short CVC words. Fan, map, van, that, pan.
Let's read. Web. W-E-B, web. Repeat after me, heroes. Web, web. Let's read. 10. T-E-N, 10. Repeat after me, heroes. 10, 10. Let's read. Wet. W-E-T, wet. Repeat after me, heroes. Wet, wet. Let's read. Peg. P-E-G, peg. Repeat after me, heroes. Peg, peg. Let's read. Vet. V-E-T, vet. Repeat after me, heroes. Vet, vet. Let's practice these short CVC words. Web, 10, wet, peg, vet. Let's read. Lid. U-I-D, lid. Repeat after me, heroes. Lid, lid. Let's read. Dig. D-I-G, dig. Repeat after me, heroes. Dig, dig. Let's read. Tin. T-I-N, tin. Repeat after me, heroes. Tin, tin. Let's read. Sit. S-I-T, sit. Repeat after me, heroes. Sit, sit. Let's read. Fin. F-I-N, fin. Repeat after me, heroes. Fin, fin. Ready for the next challenge, heroes? Let's practice these short CVC words. Lid, dig, tin, sit, fin. Let's read. Hot. H-A-T, hot. Repeat after me, heroes. Hot, hot. Let's read. Rot. R-A-T, rot. Repeat after me, heroes. Rot, rot. Let's read. Cop. K-a-p. Cop. Repeat after me, heroes. Cop. Cop. Let's read. Hop. H-a-p. Hop. Repeat after me, heroes. Hop. Hop. Let's read. Pop. P-a-p. Pop. Repeat after me, heroes. Pop. Pop. Ready for the next challenge, heroes? Let's practice these short O CVC words. Hot, rot, cop, hop, pop. Let's read sub. S-a-b. Sub. Repeat after me, heroes. Sub. Sub. Let's read rug. R-a-g. Rug. Repeat after me, heroes. Rug. Rug. Let's read cut. K-a-t. Cut. Repeat after me, heroes. Cut. Cut. Let's read hut. H-a-t. Hut. Repeat after me, heroes. Hut. Hut. Let's read tub. T-a-b. Tub. Repeat after me, heroes. Tub. Tub. Ready for the next challenge, heroes? Let's practice these short U CVC words. Sub, rug, cut, hut, tub. Stop, adventurers! It's time for a quick reading challenge. You are absolute reading superstars. Let's keep moving. My hero. What is the missing first letter? Fill it in. Bravo! You did a fantastic job blending those CVC words today. Van, peg, rot, tin, sub. My hero. Find the missing vowel. What sound do you hear in the middle? Wow! You did a fantastic job blending those CVC words today. Map, vet, hot, sit, tub. My hero. Look at the picture. Say it, then spell the whole word. Excellent! You did a fantastic job blending those CVC words today. Pan, wet, gop, dig, cut. Great job, my hero! You completed the adventure. Here is your amazing reading certificate. You are absolute reading superstars. Let's keep moving. Wow, what an amazing adventure, Reading Explorers! You answered the big question. Yes, you can read these. You did a fantastic job blending those CVC words today. Keep reading, keep shining, and see you next time.